Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Sinister back with another video. But before we get into this video, we got some business we need to handle. I need you to hit that subscribe button right here in the corner. I need you to tap it, press it, push it. Did you tap it? Did you press it? Did you push it? All right, good looking. Make sure that you hit that notification bell. And all of my social media links is down below in the description box below the video. If you want to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and all of that good stuff, my email is down below. And PayPal is down below. So all of that's down below, you know what I mean? But anyway, today I want to talk about checking your clamps. Yesterday I had an exhaust leak on the Boogie Mobile, so I'm gonna end up turning the camera around, and I want y'all to understand something. These vehicles, these semi trucks is not like cars. Remember, we running 500-600 miles a day in these trucks. We hitting potholes, we carrying heavy trailers, heavy loads on them. They take a tremendous beating. So for all of you new drivers that's out here, even if you're not new and you're a veteran driver, and you know you got comfortable and you got out of the habit of doing your pre-trip, you got to get back to doing your pre-trip, baby, for real. Because if you don't take care of your ride ain't gonna take care of you. This is my money maker right here. And if you don't take care of your money maker, your money maker ain't gonna take care of you. So I'm gonna show you where the clamp lost the screw, came off somewhere. So my exhaust pipe was leaking exhaust, and I'm gonna show you where you can see it at and everything like that, and checking your clamps. So why it's important to have tools with you, even if you're a company driver, it's good to have tools with you because you're gonna need those. So I'm gonna turn the camera around, show y'all the different clamps and where was my clamp that disconnected at, and how you can tell I had that exhaust. Because when I was driving, have that exhaust leak. Let me finish the sentence. Have that exhaust leaking. And then when I used to press on the gas, my truck was making a loud noise, but I didn't see the exhaust pipe disconnected because the clamp was still there. But the clamp was still there. We lost the screw, but the screw, we lost the nut. The screw didn't pop up where the clamp caused it to loosen up, but I guess the vibration. So anyway, my hands is ashy. I've been in water in and out of all day, so excuse the ashiness. But we're gonna check the clamps and stuff like that, and this is important. This is the stuff that you read in the CDL book and everything like that. So all right, let's turn this around. This is the passenger side of the Boogie Mobile. So now over here is the clamp that came loose. This clamp right here, this is a brand new clamp. As you can see on the top of my exhaust pipe, all that, you see how it's two colors here? All right, that's the exhaust that was leaking out from here. So it lost the screw that was on there. Let me get you closer. So this was the screw that we lost on the old clamp. So all that is exhaust that was coming out of here. That's supposed to go run to the tailpipe. Now you see that clamp back there? That one right there, I'm gonna eventually get that one changed out also because it's old. So if you get in your own truck, make sure you get your clamps replaced. So I got a brand new clamp there. Check these little clamps. You know, these little ones right here. Make sure they tight. You know, you can tighten them up with a screwdriver, with a flathead screwdriver. You know what I mean? Check them. Make sure they good. You can also buy these if you want to replace these yourself, and most likely I'm gonna buy them and replace them myself and put new ones, because after a while all that water eat and corrode these and cause them to crack and stuff like that after so much vibration. Like, look at this one. This one is kind of rusty here, you know. Here's another clamp right here, you know. So This one don't have a nut on it because it screws through this little one right here. So here's another clamp. That's a brand new one too. You see, these is the new ones right here. And yesterday, my intake valve right here, this intake pipe, they had the weld, the EGR. That's why you see the welding right there, because this was broke away from that. It was just hanging. It was just hanging. So my people at the shop did a good job with it. You can see the welding on it. So they told me that was the EGR and everything. So just make sure you check your clamps and stuff like that. Like, look at these clamps right here. You see this one? Rusty and old, you know? So I could buy new ones, replace those too. Because look how rusty those is look. They've been there for a while. So I believe you can go on Walmart and get these in Walmart and stuff like that. And I believe they sell them in the truck stop. There's another clamp back there, which is right here. So here's another one right here. And make sure when you in here and you messing around on this side, your truck is off and it's cooled down. You don't want to be in here and burn your hand. I don't want you to be like, yo, Sin, I burnt my hand. In there messing with clamps. Yep, so just make sure that you check your clamps and stuff like that. You know, here's another clamp. So that one is good. You know, that's why, you know, you want to check for rust and stuff like that. And look down in there and everything like that. Make sure everything is good, man. Make sure that your connectors is all tight and fastened, because the vibration causes this stuff to shake and loosen up after a while. So, yeah. Always check your stuff. Make sure your stuff is always good. You know, make sure your stuff is good. So, and the Boogie Mobile is running. I gotta get my fuel filters changed and stuff like that. It's dirty in there. So it's time for my filters to get changed and stuff. I got to get an oil change done and everything like that. So everything is so far looking good. I had this plate right here on the side of the engine replaced, of the block. So everything looking good. My belts is good and stuff like that. Cooling is good. So anyway, that's what you do when you're looking for your clamps and stuff like that. Make sure that you check your clamps, both sides of the truck. You know what I mean? I just showed you this side because this is where I have that exhaust leak, but there's clamps on the other side and on top of on the pipes on the top and stuff like that. So make sure you just check your clamps. You know, keep some spare screws and nuts with you. Some flathead screwdrivers, different sizes, Phillips screwdrivers, a hammer, vice grips, a wrench set. So you gotta get your tools together. You know what I mean? You gotta get your tools together. So I hope this video helped a lot of y'all out. Be sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. It's your boy Sinnizter, and I'll be dropping some more videos. I got some more videos coming out. I think I got an air leak down by the drive axle, so I'm gonna try to find where that's at. But I'm sitting under a trailer, plus I got to go lay down, knock out, because I gotta go pick up a load from Americo on my way to Henderson, North Carolina. So it's your boy Sinnizter. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.